Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here at 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are taking a look at a product that is made by NOVETE. This is a countertop reverse osmosis water filtration system. And the best part of all, there is absolutely zero setup on this thing, and it's gonna chill the water down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing unboxed so you can get an actual look at this, because this is supposed to be one of the easiest items for just plug and play. But the one that I have here, out of the box. So what we have right here is our water filtration system. So here is a full visual look on our water filtration system. The water tank itself holds 1.2 gallons for the first initial startup. You fill up the water. After, you get a good cleaning on it, and we have our two filters right here that are twist off. All we got to do is plug it in, and it's going to start its own filtering process as a first time new filtration. It's going to run through this cycle 3 to 4 times. Now that we're all set up on our NOVETE, the one thing that I want to mention is that they are US based, providing fast support. And in addition to that, they're giving this product a 1-year full product coverage. In addition to that, they're also giving a lifetime expert support. So meaning that you have any questions, any kind of troubleshooting, they are covering that support and assistance for a lifetime. So definitely reach out to these guys, because these guys are absolutely awesome. They know their product, they know their stuff. They're incredibly professional, and they've got great features and product and support. So let's go ahead and dive right in, and I'm going to show you all the different features that this thing offers. Stay tuned. I want to show you how awesome this machine actually is. So I've got my stein here. I'm going to go ahead and select my cold water after I adjust my water volume here. I'm going to go 17 ounces because that's a bottle of water, and I'm going to hit chill. Now it's going to cool this thing down to 32 degrees. Once it's completely full, I'm going to show you real quick. This is my little thermometer here. Let's go ahead and power this on. My water is completely filled. It stopped right at 17 ounces. And as you can see, I had a warm glass, and we dropped down to 39 degrees, and it is still getting cooler. So, water that is cold on the press of a button. How awesome is that? Now that we're actually looking at the front of our unit here, so one thing that I want to point out, that feature that I personally love, is right here where it says volume. Now volume is the amount of water that you want to fill. So once we go ahead and tap this, it's going to give you our ounce selection: 4, 8, 10, 17, and the 999, that's a free fill ounce. So now that I've shown you that, the one thing that I want to show you over here where it says sleep and flush, this gives you 24 hours a day peace of mind, meaning that this is going to go on what's referred to as a sleep mode for 8 hours, and it's going to give you 16 hours of standby. That's going to reduce the amount of sound and noise that you are going to hear, because unlike traditional compressors that run all the time in refrigerators, this thing is going to save you 30% worth of power compared to some of the traditional machines. Now, you have regular filter and we have cooling filter. Now the cooling side, this is going to cool down to 32 degrees. This is on demand, which means that it is going to give you refreshing, great tasting water. I don't know if you've ever tried reverse osmosis filtered water. It tastes amazing. And I'm going to show you real quick how easy it is to fill. I want to point out real quick, our filtration system has UV as well as the PPC and reverse osmosis for the filtration. This thing is absolutely awesome, and it is going to purify your water an unbelievable amount, giving you a great taste. So if you're looking to not only enjoy a nice glass of cold water, but give yourself an experience, you can see the condensation on the side of my glass here. That is some good water. And I'll tell you what, you're gonna be incredibly pleased that you got this, because it is not only great for your home, it's great for your health. And it gives you cold water and room temperature, whatever your liking is. This thing is awesome. One of my personal favorites, especially if you want to top off your juice, throw this right on the machine, because we are already going to have chilled water. Just select your desired amount for water. I'm just going to hit 8 ounces because I've got a pretty good fair amount of water for my juice here, that is. Press the button and it's going to fill and give me that exact fluid amount that I selected. And it does it relatively quickly too. So once I get this filled, I'm going to take you guys in for a closer look for our PPC and our RO filter that is right here on the top of our unit. Real easy to change out, and it has an upgraded UV feature, giving you that best dependability when it comes to worry-free of any kind of residue or buildup that are inside the lines. Because other machines that I've experienced in the past, there has always been some kind of debris or gunk or buildup inside the hose lines as it's running through the system. This thing is going to self-clean itself, and on top of that, the UV gives you that best peace of mind that it's going to zap all of that residue away. Now here's where I would like to show you and introduce you to the 8-stage water filtration system. Now we've got 2 filters here. We have the RO and the PPC. Now, this is a US design reverse osmosis membrane technology, and the unit itself is also upgraded with a UV purification. Now, this is going to remove 98.91% of TDDs, along with residual impurities such as PFAS, heavy metals, chlorine, odors, and more, to provide you pure and fresh tasting water. Again, this unit is absolutely awesome. When it comes to the peace of mind of giving you that free and clear of any particular health issues, such as lead poisoning, cancers, so many other health concerns, cannot stress enough, because there are 30 different types of health problems that you can get from contaminated water and more. So, protect yourself, protect your consuming. This unit is gonna give it to you. Thank you guys all for watching. This is Dan here at 2DD2 Productions. Give this thing a try, because I guarantee you're gonna love it. And these guys, their customer service is fantastic. Thank you guys all for watching.